Ever wondered how you can combat common health issues using natural remedies? In our fast-paced world, it's easy to lose sight of the simple, natural solutions that have been right under our noses for centuries. We're talking about remedies that our ancestors relied upon, remedies that have stood the test of time. Their relevance and effectiveness are not lost to the modern age, quite the contrary. There's an increasing interest in these natural solutions as people seek alternatives to pharmaceuticals and the potential side effects they carry. One such natural remedy that's been garnering attention is a spice known as turmeric. This golden wonder has been used in traditional medicine and cooking for thousands of years, offering a wealth of health benefits. Its vibrant color and distinct flavor are not its only charms. Turmeric's true power lies in its potential to combat a myriad of health issues. Now let's dive into the world of turmeric, a golden spice with impressive health benefits. Turmeric, known as the golden spice, has a long history of medicinal use dating back nearly 4,000 years. In the ancient world, it was a revered component of Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine, hailed for its potent healing properties. This spice was not just a culinary favorite, but a treasured remedy for a range of ailments, from common colds to complex health conditions. Now, what makes turmeric so special? The answer lies in its active ingredient, curcumin. This powerful compound is responsible for turmeric's distinctive golden hue and, more importantly, for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin gives turmeric its ability to combat inflammation, fight off harmful free radicals, and support overall health. The story of turmeric is indeed golden, a testament to nature's ability to provide us with powerful tools for wellness. But what exactly are the health benefits of this golden spice? Let's explore. Turmeric, packed with bioactive compounds, offers numerous health benefits. Firstly, let's delve into the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. Inflammation is a necessary process in our bodies. It helps fight foreign invaders and has a role in repairing damage. Without inflammation, harmful bacteria could easily take over our systems and cause harm. However, long-term chronic inflammation can become a problem, potentially leading to various diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. This is where turmeric steps in. The bioactive compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is a strong anti-inflammatory agent that matches the effectiveness of some anti-inflammatory drugs without any side effects. It targets inflammation at the molecular level, making it a natural and safe way to keep chronic inflammation at bay. Secondly, curcumin in turmeric is a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, unbalanced molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental and other pressures. This means that curcumin can help protect our bodies from the inside out, combating the oxidative damage that is believed to be one of the mechanisms behind aging and many diseases. But curcumin doesn't stop there. It also stimulates our body's own antioxidant enzymes, giving us a double-barreled boost of antioxidant power. Lastly, for millennia, turmeric has been used in traditional Indian and Chinese medicine for its brain-boosting effects. Modern science supports these ancient claims, highlighting curcumin's ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, and has shown potential as a neuroprotective agent in diseases like Alzheimer's and depression. It boosts levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons and fights various degenerative processes in the brain. But wait, there's more to this golden spice than just these benefits. If you thought the benefits of turmeric stopped there, think again. Our journey into the health wonders of turmeric continues, and next on our list is heart health. Cardiovascular disease is a global concern, often linked to poor lifestyle choices. However, the golden spice we're discussing may help mitigate some of these risks. Turmeric, with its active ingredient curcumin, is believed to improve the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of the blood vessels. A malfunctioning endothelium is a significant driver of heart disease, as it regulates blood pressure, blood clotting, and various other factors. Some studies even suggest that curcumin's benefits for endothelial function could be as effective as exercise or certain drugs. Now let's venture into a more serious territory: cancer. It's a word that no one wants to hear, but research suggests that turmeric might hold some promise in cancer prevention and treatment. Curcumin, The superhero compound in turmeric has been studied for its potential to reduce the growth of cancer cells at the molecular level. It can affect cancer growth, development and spread, and studies have shown it can contribute to the death of cancerous cells. While it's not a standalone cure, incorporating turmeric into your diet could provide a supportive role in a broader cancer treatment plan. Finally, let's discuss arthritis, a condition that causes painful inflammation and stiffness in the joints. Arthritis patients may find relief in turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, several studies suggest that curcumin can help treat symptoms of arthritis and is in some cases more effective than anti-inflammatory drugs. Imagine that, a natural spice potentially rivaling pharmaceutical treatments. So, whether it's boosting heart health, potentially playing a role in cancer prevention and treatment, or providing relief for arthritis patients, turmeric proves to be a force to be reckoned with in the health world. And remember, these are not just claims. These benefits are backed by scientific research. Impressed by the benefits of turmeric? There's still a lot more to uncover. So, to summarize, turmeric is not just a spice to add flavor to your dishes. This golden spice, with its active ingredient curcumin, has proven itself to be a powerhouse of health benefits. It's been used for centuries in herbal medicine, and modern science is now catching up. From reducing inflammation and pain relief to boosting heart health and even possibly warding off cancer, turmeric shows promising potential. It's been shown to improve brain function and could potentially lower the risk of brain diseases. If you're dealing with digestive issues, turmeric might just be your go-to remedy, as it aids in digestion too. And let's not forget, all these health benefits aren't just anecdotal. They're backed by numerous scientific studies, bringing the ancient wisdom of turmeric's healing properties to the forefront of modern health awareness. Turmeric truly is a golden spice, offering a wealth of health benefits. It's time for you to consider incorporating it into your diet.